Alright, hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this style right here. I'm so happy it turned out well because I did this on impulse, but it's like a crochet 2 puffs with some twist and some gold detailing. Really nice, very summery, so if you want to see how that goes, keep on watching. So here I just took my hair out of some cornrows, and that's why it's a little stretched out. And I'm dividing my hair down the middle. I'm taking my time because I really like my parts to be neat. I'm just going through with the rat tail comb and dividing it down the center all the way. Now we're going to divide the hair into 2 boxes, 1 box on either side of the center part, and we're just going to make a tiny little box like you see here. And I like the parts to be neat, like I said before, so I'm just taking my time here. Now I'm just using my curl enhancing smoothie from Shea Moisture and moisturizing that section. Now I'm braiding it down all the way, but the braid doesn't have to be neat because we're just getting it out of the way so we can do our puffs. So now I'm putting this section of hair into a messy puff just to get it out of the way so I can focus on the other side. Now I'm gathering this hair, smoothing it down with my hands and stuff. Now I'm using a spray bottle just to moisturize my hair as well as get it to be flatter. And this might look weird, but I'm using this comb to like separate the parts I have from the cornrows because it's making the puff a little bulkier than I want it. So I just use that comb. And then after doing that, I'm taking my leave-in conditioner from Shea Moisture and just using that all over my hair to moisturize and smooth it as well. So once I get that all under control, I'm going to brush it with this brush right here and just get it to lay flat. But it doesn't have to be super flat because it's not like a sleek style. Now I'm just taking some Eco Styler gel just to like smooth it finally before I put it into the hair tie, which I'm doing now. And I'm just going to tie it like a normal ponytail and just do that. So I did the same for the other side, so they're both like sleek but not like super sleek. And I took out the braids and now I'm twisting them because I just feel like twists look better with the hair that I'm using rather than braids. I'm using Freetress hair for my crochet hair in the style Afro screw braid, and I just feel like it looks more natural. And here I'm showing you that it's too long, so I'm cutting it in half, and that actually saves us more hair. So just cut it in half so it's more of the length that I want. Now I'm just moisturizing my hair with some leave-in conditioner and then dividing that puff into 2, and then I'm going to braid it down so we can actually attach crochet hair. So we're just going to braid it all the way down and do that for all the puffs. So once that's done, I'm going to put it into a tiny little bun and then take a little rubber band and secure it that way so that the hair is not falling out or moving or anything like that. Now we're going to take the hair that we cut and the latch hook and crochet it on. So you just put the latch hook through the hair. You want to start at the base, so like on the flat part next to the bun as close as you can get. Attach it to the latch hook, close the latch, and then pull it through. So it's pretty simple, and then you knot it. You're just going to knot it anyhow you want, but just double knot it. So like almost like you're tying a hair tie. Double knot it and then secure it and you're good. So I'm just showing that again. I put it through like close to the base but not on the bun yet, and then just attach the hair, close the latch hook, pull it through, and double knot it. Here I showed you the invisible knot method, but it's really not that serious. Like either one's going to be fine for this style. So now that I finished the perimeter of the hair, I'm going to go through the bun and do the same thing. So I put the latch hook through the bun, attach the hair, pull it through, and knot it. You want to go through the bun so that it's fuller and people can't see the bun, because that's just not a good look to have your little bun coming through the crochet hair. So you go through the bun and do this to the fullness that you like. So the pack of hair that I got was a 3-in-1, so there's 3 bundles of crochet hair in that one pack, and I only had to use 1 bundle to achieve this style for like both of the puffs. So when I cut them in half, it really saved me a lot of hair, so I only had to use 1 of the bundles to achieve this style. And so if you want to have a fuller or less full, you just account for that, but I like the fullness that I did. I only had to use 1 of the bundles. And here I'm just showing you again how I did it. Same thing as before, through the perimeter or through the bun, it's the same technique. So here I'm just fluffing it and cutting it. The ends were a little too long for me. I wanted it to be a more circular puff or like spherical puff, and it just was too like doggy ear, like ponytail for me. So I just cut it, and here I'm just like fluffing it out and like dividing the defined curls because I just like that volume. It makes it look more natural to me. So now I'm just adding some gold accents with some hair jewelry. I'm adding 1 to each twist at the start of the puff and then 1 to each twist 2/3 of the way down. And I want them to be even out so it can look aesthetically pleasing and really cute. I just really feel like this adds to the look. Before it's like a little play, but now it's just like, wow, you did that. So now this is the final look. I'm just feeling myself a bit. Like, this was really on impulse. I was just really happy that it turned out good. So if you like this video or think someone could really rock this style, share it with them. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.